2018 year model Honda Foreman 500. In this video I will show you quick tips how to get your rear brake drum off the hub. You don't need any specialty tools to get this drum off the hub. Let's get started. First, I clean the splines, wire brush it, wash it with the brake clean. Never use the compressed air when you're working on the brake pads. Clean the splines nice and clean. Second step, what I did, I made a reference point for my brakes adjustment. As you can see, two cables are coming to the hub. Upper one is for your handbrake and the rear one for your foot brake. I marked my, see the bolt at the end of the cable with a yellow paint marker. The bottom of this paint is my reference point, how far I have to screw my wing nut for the reference point setting up the brakes. Then you go and remove both wing nuts, take them off completely, grab a light hammer and move this lever all the way back. It can be hard to move it by hand, just lightly tap it. And what happened, this pin got seized up inside the hub. It should move freely from the horizontal position when brakes are released to the vertical position when brakes are on, applied, and I wasn't able to even move it. I had to hammer it back to actually release my brakes to be able to get a drum off. Tap it until it goes all the way to the end and stops. This way we got our brake shoes compressed in a released position. Then what you do, I also sprayed a little bit of penetrating oil on the splines. It can be a bit hard. It was all rusted, full of dust, dirt, debris built up inside the brake drum. If you're first time to the channel, take a second to subscribe. Very appreciated that. Next step, you need a rubber millet to tap on a brake drum. It might not come out easy due to some rust, dirt, all that debris contaminated, build up inside the drum, and sometimes you end up with a deep groove which will bite on a shoe. It'll stuck behind. One of the things, now we have it brakes compressed. Tap it on one side, it's 3 o'clock, then go to 9, then go to 6, 12, and work it your way out. At a certain point, it will pass the half a brake shoe, and then you grab it with both hands and wiggle it, and it will come out. Yeah, it can be a struggle. Well, this is how you remove rear brake drum on your Honda Foreman. Pretty simple, pretty easy if you know how to do it. Yeah, everything's doable. If this video is helpful, informational, educational, interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. Well, thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below. Well, and I see you next one. Take care. Bye bye.